So here's the CHULUX espresso machine. Now this is interesting. This is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So that is a lot more doable for an apartment. Okay, so here's the first challenge with this machine. Hopefully I can show you. But on the bottom of this, you just heard it. On the bottom of the machine, it has these little suction cups, which is really nice to hold it firmly to the counter. But when you go to fill the water, when you're in an apartment like this and you go to fill the water tank, you got to be able to pull it out. So I'm going to hopefully resolve this by using a little towel. It'll have to sit on the towel. And then you can slide the machine out to fill it. So let's make an espresso and we'll see how she works. They said do the espresso first, because if you try to do the steaming first, it gets the machine too hot and then it won't allow you to make the espresso. So you do the espresso first. The instructions say that it's supposed to be stiff for the first couple of times, turning it into place. But wow, this is really difficult. But my goodness, if it has to be that hard all the time, I won't be using this much. You're supposed to turn the steamer on to release, because otherwise water comes out and that water will be added to your milk. So you let it do that until it kind of steams out of there, and then you turn it off again. So that is how the machine works, and it does work. It does what it says what it's supposed to do. So yeah, the rest of the stuff is art.
Excelente equipo. Muchas gracias, Amazon, por su atención. Bendiciones. Ya la próxima vez tendré en pendiente el número de 6 dígitos que no sabía que era lo que me estaban pidiendo. El señor que me entregó el paquete enseguida encontró el número en el pedido. Estoy muy contenta con el equipo. Gracias.